Hi, Ty. I'm going to try this again since I didn't do a really good job of recording the screen last time. So just different platform altogether. Yeah, so you have all these notes. Um, I probably should have started with this page first because this is where I was thinking you would turn your attention initially. Um, so grouping together like all the green, all the pink, all the orange, all the slightly darker pink, really looks more like a fuchsia marker, so I'm sorry for how this looks in the scan. Um, Blue and then purple. And then after you've kind of got like all of those ideas together, working on a little bit of arrangement within them. So I went over kind of the blue in the last video. Let's see, maybe I could do the pink. So this is the Common Core before music. So we would be like here with LBJ's War on Poverty and how all of a sudden we're linking testing and accountability with money. And then how that evolved over many decades through different presidencies, through different administrations. Um, we're getting No Child Left Behind with George W. Bush. That becomes the Common Core. Let's see, that's right here. That becomes the Common Core under Barack Obama. And there's really this emphasis on like college career readiness. Let's see, where is number four? Four. Yeah. Yeah, so the money goes to the Common Core, to those subjects that are all about presumably career readiness. Um, and then you could give the current core subjects at that time, which did not include music. Um, and then up here, you could go into how the courses that were not seen as core were of secondary importance. They were lesser. Is there a seven? Yeah, right here. They're seen as like a nice to have versus a need. And that's kind of a mindset. And I did have the thought that you could, here you can see the difference a little better between the two pinks. I thought this could be like the end of the lighter pink before you transitioned into when music was added. Um, or I thought this could also be like its own section about like ways of seeing classes as nice to have or electives versus needs or requirements. So I'm going to stop there lest I'm confusing you more than I'm helping. Maybe just reply as you have a chance and let me know if like this is helpful and what else you need from me. Again, I'm sorry it took me so long to get back to you.